Today I'm going to teach you how to add a PayPal payment button to your GoDaddy website. This is a fantastic way to start accepting payments directly on your site, whether you're selling products, services, or accepting donations. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to GoDaddy.com. Once you're there, you'll need to type in your credentials to log in to your account. After logging in, you'll be directed to your GoDaddy dashboard, which is essentially your control center for managing everything related to your website and domain. From here, look at the left navigation menu and click on Websites. This section houses all the tools you need to build and customize your online presence. Once you click on Websites, your website settings page will open up. This is where you can access all the core features of your site. Now, locate the Edit Website button, which you'll find on the right side of your screen. Clicking this button will launch your GoDaddy website editor, giving you full control over your site's design and content. The editor is intuitive and user-friendly, so don't worry if you're not a tech expert. Now comes the important part, adding the PayPal button to your website. First, you'll need to decide where on your site you want this payment button to appear. Once you've chosen the section, click on the plus Add Section button. This action will open up an Add Element window on your right side panel, displaying various options you can integrate into your site. Look for the option labeled Commerce and click on it. A drop-down selection will appear, offering you different commerce-related features. From this list, click on PayPal. This is the gateway to integrating PayPal's secure payment processing directly into your website. After selecting PayPal, you'll now be presented with 3 different PayPal button options. Take a moment to review each one and choose the style that best fits your website's design and your specific needs. Once you've made your choice, click on Add. The element will be instantly added to your website, appearing in the section you selected earlier. Now it's time to configure this button to match your offering. From your right side menu, you'll see several fields that need to be filled in. Start by entering a section title, which helps visitors understand what they're purchasing. Then fill in the item name, price, and description. Be as clear and detailed as possible here, as this information will be visible to your customers. If you want to make your payment option more visually appealing, you can also add an image to this service or payment. This could be a product photo or a logo, depending on what you're selling. Finally, scroll down to the bottom part of the configuration menu where you'll find your PayPal settings. Here, enter your PayPal email address, which is crucial as this is where payments will be sent. You can also customize the button label to say something like Buy Now, Donate, or Pay Now, whatever suits your purpose best. Don't forget to select the appropriate currency for your transactions, ensuring smooth payment processing for your customers. And there you have it, you've successfully added a fully functional PayPal payment button to your GoDaddy website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.